Yeah. Mind you guys of something. So look, we say when the median nerve emerges from the carpal tunnel, I want to make an important point here. When the median nerve emerges from the carpal tunnel, look what it does, guys. It emerges from carpal tunnel. It gives off two branches. It's going to give off this branch here, this branch, which is a lateral branch. See it? This branch is a lateral branch. And look what this branch is doing. It's giving off three branches. This, and this, right? These are three proper palmar digital cutaneous branches. Three proper. One going to either side of the thumb, and one going to the lateral side of the index finger. So recall that the median nerve emerges from the carpal tunnel. And by the way, when it comes out of the carpal tunnel, before it bifurcates into these two branches, I just want to be abundantly clear. Let's look on this one and see if we see anything interesting. Yes, look on this. Look on this one, guys. When it emerges from the carpal tunnel, it immediately gives off this recurrent branch that broke off, see? This recurrent branch is going to supply the muscles of the thenar eminence. That's the recurrent muscular branch. And then now it splits into two, a lateral branch and a medial branch. And we just told you what the lateral branch did. Lateral branch do what? Give off three proper palmar digital cutaneous. One to either side of thumb, one to the lateral side of the index. On the other hand, the medial branch divides into two. So the medial branch divides into 1, 2. But these two that are coming off the medial branch, they are called what? Common palmar digital cutaneous. So the lateral branch give off three proper palmar digital cutaneous, and the medial branch give off two common. And then look what each common is doing now. Each common is going to divide into two proper. So in the end, how many propers we end up with? 7. Okay? 7 proper. And what are these 7 proper palmar digital cutaneous branches doing? These 7 proper palmar digital cutaneous branches are supplying the palmar aspect of the lateral 1, 2, 3.5 digits. So these 7 proper palmar digital cutaneous branches are going to supply the palmar aspect of the lateral 3.5 digits. What is the bigger point I'm making? That the palm gets digital branches from the median nerve and the ulnar nerve. Those are the only two nerves that supplies the fingers on the palmar aspect. Yeah. 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 Yeah.